3I Atlas, the alien visitor racing into our solar system. Have you ever imagined a day when something massive, not a meteor, not a comet, but a mysterious object from another star system suddenly appears, heading straight toward our sun? This isn't science fiction. It's a real event, one that astronomers across the globe are tracking hour by hour. And that interstellar visitor bears the name 3I Atlas, a colossal, unidentified object hurtling toward our solar system at nearly 100,000 kilometers per hour. Part 1, the signal from the void. On May 1st, 2025, a half-meter telescope in Chile detected something unprecedented. A strange object moving rapidly toward the inner solar system. The data was immediately sent to the Minor Planet Center in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and within hours, major observatories and universities, including NASA and Harvard, were involved. The first person to make a shocking statement was Dr. Avi Loeb, the former head of Harvard's Department of Astronomy, one of the most respected theoretical physicists alive today. He asked the question that would shake the scientific community. Could 3I Atlas actually be an artifact of alien technology? His article spread like wildfire, featured in Newsweek, the New York Post, Daily Mail, and more, turning the mysterious object into the most discussed discovery in modern astronomy. Initial analysis revealed that 3I Atlas was enormous, roughly the size of Manhattan. And most disturbingly, it wasn't behaving like a natural celestial body at all. Part 2, the traces of those who came before. Before Atlas, humanity had encountered two other interstellar visitors. The first appeared in 2017, a cigar-shaped object named Oumuamua, meaning a messenger from afar in Hawaiian. It streaked through the solar system at 87 kilometers per second, spinning erratically, and to everyone's surprise, it accelerated as it left the sun's influence, breaking known laws of physics. No tail, no gas emissions. Yet it sped up. Dr. Loeb boldly proposed that Oumuamua could be a light sail, a thin, engineered craft propelled by solar radiation. 2 years later, in 2019, a second interstellar object appeared. The 2I Borisov comet, discovered by amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov looked like a typical comet with a massive tail, 14 times the width of Earth, and soon disintegrated after passing near the sun. But 3I Atlas was different. Its behavior defied logic, and its trajectory hinted at something beyond coincidence. Part 3, the third visitor. When Atlas was discovered in May 2025, it stunned astronomers around the world. Its orbit wasn't circular, nor even elliptical. It was hyperbolic, meaning it was not bound to the sun and had clearly come from interstellar space. The object's orbital eccentricity was an astounding 6, compared to Earth's tiny 0.0167, proving that it wasn't native to our solar system. But what made it truly terrifying were the 8 anomalies Dr. Loeb later summarized, each one pushing the limits of scientific explanation. Part 4. 8. Strange Signs of 3. Atlas 1. The orbital plane. Atlas's orbital tilt differs by less than 5 degrees from Earth's ecliptic. The odds of such alignment happening by random chance? 0.2%. 2. Its brightness. Assuming a normal reflectivity, Atlas would have to be nearly 20 kilometers wide, enormous for an interstellar object. Statistically, we should have seen millions of smaller ones first, but we haven't. 3. No cometary tail. Spectral data showed no gas or dust emissions. That means Atlas is not a comet, suggesting a solid or metallic surface instead. 4. Impossible trajectory. It's set to pass unusually close to Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, all within narrow distances, a coincidence with only 0.005% probability. 5. Unreal speed. At perihelion, it will travel 68 kilometers per second, opposite to Earth's direction, creating a relative speed of 98 kilometers per second, far faster than any chemical rocket humanity can produce. 6. Hidden approach. When Atlas nears the sun, Earth will be on the opposite side, completely blocked from view. We won't see what it's doing. Was that just luck or deliberate timing? 7. Direction of arrival. Atlas is coming from the bright center of the Milky Way, where starlight makes detection nearly impossible. The perfect route for avoiding early discovery. 8. Controlled potential. Its trajectory would allow it to deploy probes near planets like Venus or Mars with minimal energy, under 5 kilometers per second of thrust. Taken together, these clues led Dr. Loeb to a chilling conclusion. We must take seriously the possibility that 3I Atlas is a spacecraft of alien origin. Part 5, Warnings from Great Minds. Loeb's warning echoes those of the late Stephen Hawking, who once said, "If aliens ever visit us, the result might be similar to when Columbus arrived in the Americas, which didn't turn out well for the natives." Based on current models, Atlas could have entered the outer edge of our solar system 8,000 years ago, around the same time humans began recording history. Could it have been observing us ever since? Dr. Loeb referred to this as the dark forest theory, a cosmic jungle where every civilization hides in silence, fearing others. Each one is a hunter, armed and waiting. Whoever reveals their location is doomed. Part 6. What if it's not natural? Imagine this. It's October 29th, 2025. Atlas reaches its closest point to the sun, and suddenly we realize it's not natural. What happens next? Fear spreads, markets crash, governments scramble. Humanity faces an existential crisis unlike anything before. Dr. Loeb suggested the creation of a cosmic alert scale, similar to the Richter scale for earthquakes, ranging from level 1, natural comet, to level 10, confirmed alien spacecraft. He urged nations to prepare coordinated global responses to any potential extraterrestrial threat, but his warnings were ignored. Even Wikipedia omitted his findings, claiming they weren't peer-reviewed, despite freely including unverified data from other sources. It's a familiar story, just as Galileo was once silenced for daring to challenge the heavens. Part 7. Truth, Fear, and Humility. Are we repeating the same mistake, fearing what we don't understand? Perhaps curiosity, not denial, is what drives progress. Even if 3I Atlas turns out to be natural, it will still expand our understanding of the cosmos. But if it's not, then human history is about to change forever. Epilogue. The lesson from the stars. The mystery of 3I Atlas reminds us of one thing. We are small. In this infinite universe, we're just a fragile species on a pale blue dot, staring into a cosmic ocean filled with unknown civilizations. Perhaps curious, perhaps dangerous. Fear can blind us, but curiosity, that fearless drive to seek truth, is what makes us human. So whether you believe Atlas is an alien ship or just a celestial wanderer, remember this. The search for truth begins with the courage to ask questions. If you love uncovering the secrets of the universe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stickman Quest, where we continue to explore the hidden mysteries of space, science, and time itself. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the stars, because something out there may already be watching us.